A very good evening to all the beautiful ladies. So, today we are going to unbox and review some of the best Lakme products. So, in that, I'm going to start with the most common product that we all have used in our life, and this is Lakme product, which is a foundation. We have already used it before, and this is my already used product, which I use very often. And this foundation is basically a liquid foundation, which we all have used. And this is because of the perfecting. Actually, this is going to have some of the effects on the face, which will light your own skin tone. So it is perfecting liquid foundation. It blends easily into your skin and it creates soft, glowing, feather light skin type that gives you glowing skin. So this is the product specification. It's oil free. It is rich in vitamin E and it is water resistance as well. So whenever you want to use it, you will have to shake it well before use. And yes, the best way to shake any of the foundation or the liquid nail polish is this. This way we have to shake the liquid. So this is how we will be using this product. Now come to the costing and the packaging. The costing is rupees 145, and as for the shelf life, this is having a shelf life of 30 months. So this is all about the product. Based on your skin tone, you have to select the shades, and based on it, we'll have to apply it in over the skin, just a dab with some cotton sheets will help us to blend it equally in all over the face. So this is all about the foundation. I just want to review it. The next product that we all had used in our life is the cleansing milk by Lakme. It's a deep cleanser. It gives a gentle care to your skin. It is of rupees 120 and having the shelf life of around 2 years. So yes, it is enriched with avocado extracts and again in vitamin E. This removes surface impurities as well as your makeup. So it is used for both the cases. And as we know that this is for cleansing, and there also comes with this is the Lakme Absolute Bi-Faced Makeup Remover. You must have used this also. This is Lakme Absolute Makeup Remover. What we'll have to do? We just have to open it. We have to spray it on our face to remove all the makeup. And what is the best part of it? It removes all kind of lip, eye, and face makeup. So ladies, this bi-faced makeup remover has a unique formula which gets activated by just shaking it. When we'll shake it, it is basically a combination of oil and water. So together, this combination will going to help and remove our face makeup as well as all the dirt, giving it a refreshing glow. So this is how it works. It gently and thoroughly removes all kind of makeup. It is long wearing, even long wearing and waterproof lipsticks, eyeliners, face makeup can be removed using this makeup remover, and you will feel your skin very soft and smooth after its use. So this is again, let me tell you about the costing. It's of rupees 300 with a shelf life of around 2 years. So this is all about these three very common products. Now I'm coming to the latest inclusion of Lakme is the blue eyeliner, which is one of my favorite. So this eyeliner, I have already used black one, and this one is the blue eyeliner, which is Insta Liner water resistance. Yes, I have applied it even today for this session. It's water resistance. Even the application part is so smooth. Any beginner or newcomer new to this field of makeup can apply it very easily. So this is again a very best one of the best products by Lakme. So again, we have to shake well before its use. It's of 9 ml. Total quantity is 9 ml. And let me share you the pricing. It is 130 rupees, and yes, it is having a shelf life of 2 years. So it is a good investment. we can have this eyeliner in our makeup kit. Now, one of the new inclusion in my makeup kits is this Lakme face sheer. This face sheer is having two different categories. I have purchased one sun soaked yes, it's sun soaked version of the face sheer. We have two different categories, out of which I have picked up sun kissed. So yes, this, if I'll open, you can see. Actually, this is what I'm doing the unboxing of this new pack. So this is Lakme's face sheer. You can see it is one of the sun kissed version. It is iridescent pigments that tint, highlight, and layer for lovely cheek and face glow. So this is all you have to do. And yes, now let me share its pricing. It's of rupees 425, and it is just 4 grams. And the shelf life is around 2 years. So let me unbox this for you. This is the face shimmer. You can see how beautiful the packaging is. You just have to remove it. You'll get this, and then you just have to apply it over the. Yes, you'll get a very beautiful mirror here also. I can actually see my face and can apply it very gently on my cheeks. So on your cheeks, even wherever you want to get the glow, you can apply it and can get the sufficient tint on your face. So this is again a part of the makeup which is now newly introduced in my makeup tools. So you can also have it. So this is all about the reviewing and unboxing of few of the products of only Lakme brand of makeup. Thank you, girls. Keep grooming, keep shining. Bye-bye.